Nieces and nephews, today's the day we find out what's in the mystery can. Am I going to do that right away? No, going to do it at the end of the video. Come on. In the meantime, I'm going to show you how I make my delicious summertime shrimp salad. It's my mother's recipe and you're going to love it. Okay? Come on.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
As you see here, I've already made some. It's delicious. It's very simple. Remember all those baby shrimp I got in the big bag? Well, you take your shrimp, cover them with some lemon pepper seasoning, okay? Then you're going to take some onion powder, put a nice teaspoon of that over. Take you some Old Bay seasoning. Put about a teaspoon of that. I put a little extra because I like that Cajun kick it gives. All right. Then take you some, yes, I'm going to say it, dill relish, okay? Just a little bit of that, okay? It's got a powerful taste, but it's going to add a really cool flavor to this, okay? Take you about a good tablespoon of mayo. Put it in, all right? Now, I've also chopped up one small celery stick, okay? We're going to put that in. All right. Now we're going to combine these around. And voila, you are going to have the best shrimp salad ever. You can put these on crackers, toast. You can even turn these into shrimp salad sliders. I can show you that. It's real easy. Now, if you want to kick it up a notch, especially for those shrimp salad sliders, take you some Red Hots or your favorite hot sauce. Put some shots in it like that, about 4 or 5. Now, of course, I like it hot, so I'm going to put about 7 or 8. Mix it around. Refrigerate for 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and you will have the best salad ever. Now, let me show you how I make those sliders. Come with me. All right, in a pan, I have put just a couple pads of butter. Then I'm going to put in my slider bun to toast. Give that just a move around there. All right. Get a little better view of that. Let those get a little brown, okay? Just a bit. Okay? Put cheese on one side. On the other side, put your salad, your shrimp salad rather. Put you plenty on there, as much as you want to put, but not too much. You don't want it to squirt out the sides. Now, put this bun on top like that. Put that like that. Let's cover for just a minute or two with the heat. Now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heat's off. Now, oop, I dropped my top. You know, y'all, I'm just as crazy as can be. Flip it a couple times. Like that. Now, we're going to cut this apart. look at that on the inside. Do you see that? Do you see that? Now, of course, I cut this in the skillet just to show you. But let me put this on a plate for you. There we go. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. These are delicious. Ooh, don't leave some of this one. Mmm. 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 These are so good. It is amazing. Oh, the mystery can. Okay. Let's get to it. And let's see who won. All right. All right. What is in the mystery can? Let us see. Look at that, y'all. Oop, been a mess. It's corn. A little can of corn. Oh, that's going to go good with my slider. All right, y'all. That was fun. That really was. Now, who won what was in the mystery can? You gotta wait till the next video. Oh, I'm such a stinker. Yeah, I will announce it next video coming up. It's gonna be a food pantry run, and I will announce who won, and we'll see what they won. Or do I want to make it a surprise? I don't know. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Remember, 5,000 subscribers. That's what we're trying to get. I love each and every one of y'all. Okay. And remember, life is not perfect. So don't try to be perfect. Just be the best you can be. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Write me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, @gmail.com. Okay? All right. Bye-bye.